Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Make sure your laptop explicitly supports charging over the Thunderbolt port and check the PD wattage it needs. Once confirmed, pick a PD-capable charger that meets or slightly exceeds that wattage. Do not underpower the system. Next, use a certified Thunderbolt 3/4 or high-quality USB-C PD cable. Cable rating matters for negotiation and safety. Finally, power on the charger. Then plug the cable into the charger first and into the laptop. Watch the charge LED. Once the physical connection is made, you need to let the power delivery handshake complete. This can take a few seconds while charger and laptop negotiate voltage and current. Make sure the system recognizes the charger. Look for the battery icon change or a notification showing wattage. If you use a dock, confirm PD pass-through supports the laptop's required wattage, since many docks only supply partial power. Also, avoid cheap adapters that advertise Thunderbolt but lack full PD. They often limit current and slow charging. You finish by confirming the laptop is actually charging. Check the battery percent, system power icon, and any vendor power utilities that show input watts. If charge is slow, close high-power apps or switch to a higher watt PD charger. Make sure the cable sits firmly in the port. A loose connection limits power. If it won't charge, try another certified cable and charger, update Thunderbolt/BIOS drivers, and test a different Thunderbolt port if available. This single troubleshooting step resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.